Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I filmed this look for Valentine's Day. I always come out with a Valentine's Day tutorial every single year, and this is the look that I came up with for this year. We have like a nice little half cut crease, which is kind of typical for me, but like, you know what? It's Valentine's Day, and this is my chance to hop on the opportunity for using cranberry colors, okay? Because I always do cranberry, and that's why I always do Valentine's Day looks, okay? If you guys are already subscribed and that you have your post notifications turned on, it's the little bell button right next to the subscribe button. Go ahead and hit that. Yeah, I want to keep this intro pretty short, so if you guys want to see how I achieved this makeup look right here, then make sure you just keep on watching. Okay guys, so to start off this look, I'm going to be priming my eyelids using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I used to use like the P. Louise one, but I think I lost it somewhere. And I've just been using this one since, so. And I'm just gonna blend it in using a brush. Last year, I think I did like a smoky like liner cut crease situation. I really like this one though. I love like that glitter shade, you guys. I'm gonna show you the color. It's literally beautiful. It's from this ColourPop palette that I'm about to use. This palette is from the ColourPop Valentine's Day collection. This is their All That palette. So here's a little close-up for you guys. I'm sorry my nails aren't done, but I'm doing them later actually. The shade that I have on my lid is this one. Okay, so once everything's primed, I'm gonna start out on the eyeshadow. I'm actually gonna leave my base wet, and I'm going in with this Morphe 433 brush, and I'm taking this shade right here, Please Me. It's like this dark cranberry shade, and I'm just gonna start to build this right on this outer V first, and I'm gradually bringing it in towards the inner part of my crease. Getting that color down, doesn't matter if it's not blended. Once I have the color where I want it, I'm gonna start by going in little tiny circular motions to kind of just like diffuse this color a little bit and kind of just make it a little bit easier for me to blend out with another shade that I'm gonna go in with next. So it's like a little bit smudged out towards the edges and it's not as harsh. I'm not gonna fully blend this color out. I'm gonna use the same brush actually, and the next shade I'm gonna go in with is this one right here, which is called Wink Wink. And I'm just gonna start packing this on top of that shade. This is a pretty dark shade to use as like a transition and a crease color, but if you take your time and be like careful with it, and you should be good. When I get up towards my eyebrow, I'm gonna lightly take whatever is left on my brush and use that as a transition shade. Or you could just switch to a big fluffy brush like so and then blend out that color and it'll kind of turn into a transition shade. But I just don't feel like switching my brush. This is what I'm doing. Yeah. And then I always take my eyeshadow like up in my eyebrow. I don't know why, but I just like the look of like the eyeshadow kind of going and blending in with the brows. Ooh, that actually, oh my god. That didn't take me like any time at all to blend. Usually I'm sitting here for like a hot minute. Eyelash, cheese loss. Damn, that actually blended out really quick. Okay, wait. Damn, Gina? Damn, Tina? Damn, Gina? What's that from? Damn, Gina? Oh my god, please this is gonna drive me crazy. Please tell me where that's from in the comments if you guys know. Damn, Tina. I had this friend once in like middle school, or actually like way before middle school. We were like I was friends with this girl when I was really young, and she thought my name was Dina for like the longest time. I forget if she actually just like thought I forget if she was doing it as a joke or if she actually like didn't know my name and was calling me Dina and I was just too like afraid to correct her. But I had this friend who literally called me Dina, like never called me Tina the entire time I knew her, which was interesting. She had to have been doing it as a joke because there's no way I would have let her. People would have corrected her. Alright, I don't know. I should make that like a tradition in my videos. I'm just gonna cheers you guys with my fucking Red Bull or my coffee, either or. Okay, I feel like I need to take this out further. Yes. You guys keep asking me where I get these clips from, and I actually don't know because a brand sent it to me, and yeah, I don't know where to buy them, and I don't know what these kind of clips are called, but everybody always asks me in videos like where I get these clips from. If you guys know where to get these style of clips, I'll pin it, okay? I'll pin it for you guys because I actually don't know. That's why I never respond to you guys because I literally have no idea. I don't know what to tell you, unfortunately. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do a half cut crease. Okay, the only thing about this like glitter is that no matter what glitter you use on your lid, if you have like a cut crease, the glitter will always transfer up into the crease. So what I'll do is I'll literally just like over time, when it gets there, you know, it takes a minute, I just brush it off with a clean brush and it's gone. And you can always just like kind of like flick off the kind of like excess little glitters, and it'll get rid of the ones that are gonna end up on your crease. Does that make sense? Or just use glitter glue. That's a way better solution. Okay, I'm done. I'm done. So I'm going in with this color right here all over my lid. This is the shade Risque. It's a lot pinker. I feel like the colors are coming out a little bit overexposed because my camera is like really bright and my lights are super bright. But it's this like kind of light, almost like lavendery shade. And I'm gonna use that all over my lid, even where this glitter is gonna go, because it's gonna be kind of like a base for that shade. Okay, and now I'm going in with the shade Uncensored, which is this glitter color. This shade is literally insane. I'm so obsessed with it. It's just like pressed glitter pretty much. I'm literally just gonna press it kind of like in a slanted kind of shape. That way when you guys see what's gonna happen here. So I'm just gonna like slant it a little bit, starting like in the middle of my eye and then bring it up towards the cut crease. It should be hitting different. Oh my god. My brain is just like TikTok on a loop, I swear to god. All I think about is fucking TikTok. This is the ColourPop liquid liner, and this is just the black one. I don't, oh, there it is. Numero uno, black. Pretty much. Okay, so I'm just gonna line my lash line. I'm gonna do like a little, you can't even see it because it's that subtle, and it's just kind of like to give this outer V a smoky look, but it's like a baby ass wing and it's super thick. You'll see it better over here. But I'm just gonna line my upper lash line normally, and then when I get out here, do like a little mini wing, but just make it super thick. Super thick. Just thick. And then I'm grabbing that really, really dark shade that I used in my crease at first, and I'm just gonna kind of go over that eyeliner with it while it's still wet, and then also do kind of this like slanted shape over that wing, and then kind of bring it up towards here. Don't worry if it's not blended. I'm switching back to my crease brush. I'm just gonna blend out much of this. Okay, and then I'm taking the shade Wink Wink, and I'm gonna put it in the middle of the glitter and then this dark shade to give me like a little ombre. Shit, I forgot to tap off my brush. Now I have ordered Domino's, okay, and he says, enjoy. And what do I say? You too.
Enjoy.
You too. Every time. Well, I'm gonna take a, I can't get over that. He literally was like, okay, this fallout was like, anyways, I'm gonna eat this fucking pizza and I will be right back. Okay. See you guys in 5 or 10 or 15, I don't know, we'll see. Okay, so now I'm gonna go on to the face. I actually just went ahead and applied my lashes off camera. These are the Lily Lashes in the style Miami, and you guys can use the code TINA to save 15% off your purchase at lilylashes.com. Go in with this Fourth Ray Mellow Milk Mist, which is from ColourPop, and I'm just gonna spray this on my face. Ooh, 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 that came at me like, damn. And now I'm just gonna go in with my Giorgio Armani Power Fabric Foundation, and I just fake tan. I'm gonna match this to my neck, all right? Don't worry if you guys saw my face and were like, what the fuck? Why are you literally 3 shades lighter? Guys, I've been doing the soap brow trick recently. I know I'm like so late on this trend. I'm always so late on these trends. I did the soap brow trick and I'm so obsessed with it, you guys. It just makes your brows so much fluffier. Like nothing I used, even like eyebrow gel, would ever get my eyebrows to be this fluffy and amazing, and I love it. I didn't even think I was like a fluffy eyebrow type of, you know, gal, but she's a changed woman. Dyed my eyebrows the other night because I saw this girl's YouTube video, and I always complain about my eyebrows being way too light, and you can't really see them if I don't have makeup on. They like blend in with my fucking forehead, so my forehead looks giant, and I always used to complain about it, but no more, okay? I'm gonna start doing this regularly, like dyeing my eyebrows, because it's seriously a life changer. Like I have never been happier. It also takes way less time to fill in your brows. Okay, so now I'm going in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer just to conceal my under eye. I'm also gonna use this to sharpen up the edge of this eyeshadow. Okay, and then going in with the Anastasia Banana Powder, and this is the loose banana powder, and I'm just gonna set under my eyes and the rest of my face. For my bronzer, since I'm extra tan, I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil, and I'm using, where's my brush? Where's my brush? See it? I don't know where she's at. I got it. Okay, so I'm gonna use this to contour and bronze my face. I always do like the bottom of my nose. Recently, yeah. Okay, I want to try to match my blush to like my eyeshadow look. So I'm going in with this Buxom blush, and this one is in the shade Ibiza. This is a Wanderlust blush. These are like the most pigmented ones out there, okay? Believe me. I'm obsessed with this formula. Over the nose because I cannot go a day without my nose blush. Okay, and then for highlighter, I'm going with the ColourPop Soul Body Highlighter. This is in the shade Soft Pink. I'm just gonna use it on this inner part of my nose. What am I saying? This like bridge of my nose. This bridge of my nose. The bridge of my nose. Wow, I can't talk. Look at how pretty that is. It's like a really pretty like pink shade. I'm also gonna drag it up here. I think I don't do highlighter unless it's for like a glam look. Like if I don't have eyeshadow on, then I never do highlight. I'm gonna add a lot of this onto my inner corner. Ooh, that's fucking pretty as shit. Okay. Oh, I love to see it. I love to see it. Okay, so I am just gonna go ahead and do my lower lash line really quickly off camera, and I'll be right back to finish up the look with the lip color. I'm just going in with the Makeup Forever liquid lipstick in the shade 103. It's kind of like a dark mauve color. It's a little bit on the cool tone side. Okay, so I'm gonna finish off this look with another spritz of this little spray. This is so cute. It's like a little mini travel one. I'm gonna take this with me to Miami. I'm pre-filming this, by the way, if you guys are wondering. By the time you're watching this, I was already in Miami. All right, that's done. But I'm gonna take this with me to Miami, and it's so cute. I love like mini stuff. I don't know why. So this is the Milk Mist again. I'm just gonna, it smells really good. Like waste it. Yeah, okay, good idea. Oh, lip gloss. Oh my god, I'm sitting here like, let's do some lip injection, some plumping lip gloss, because why not? Okay guys, so here is the completed makeup look. I'm super in love with it. If you guys decide to recreate it for Valentine's Day or just for fun in your rooms at midnight, then let me know. Tag me in your pictures because I really want to see your guys' recreation. Oh, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe, like, and comment. Oh my god, this lip injection is kicking in. Bad move. Wow, I'm dumb. Okay, but I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys!